Trofi Security is a managed security service provider based out of Denver, Colorado. We support many verticals across the United States on their security practices. I started with Check Point in 1999, and the reason why we stay with Check Point is it's easy to use. Check Point has been very adaptable on current trends in the industry, so that helps me stay current. The Infinity contract model gave us access to all those three horizontals. It basically allowed me to mix and match the products I needed for a specific vendor or customer that I was supporting, so we can better tailor our security practice to what their needs were. We were very interested in the Playblocks product to basically help us do some more automation around detections around our quantum firewalls. 29 of the 38 automations available have been turned on, and we're finding several of those very useful. An example of one would be the detection of scanners from the internet side. So instead of blocking the IP by IP, we'll block it at the source one time. So that gives us a better security posture. So one of the products that we have loved since we enrolled it is the XDR product. So instead of doing event by event by event, we'll get a trigger saying this incident happened on these 8 events, and so we could do more efficient remediation. So Copilot is integrated with several of the Check Point tools. The Quantum Force firewalls is one example. The XPR or XDR is another one. And what it allows us to do, it's actually gathering all that case management data on an action to take on an incident. So that is a big step forward in the industry. The major benefit that I'm getting from Check Point in the security space is the single pane of glass. So I have about 12 Check Point products deployed. The look and feels similar across the board. So I don't have to train my staff on individual products, so we get more efficiencies. Currently with the Harmony or the portal, Check Point CloudWorks, all those tools actually talk together. We're making more intelligent decisions with less.